Hello everyone, Shabik here from Ani Online, and today in this video we are going to do the biggest unboxing done on this channel. So let's get quickly started without wasting any time. So let's begin. So guys, this is the ASUS ROG FLOW X13, which has the Ryzen 9 5000 series processor, and this processor has surpassed the performance and overall benchmarking of the M1 chips. So let's begin our channel's greatest unboxing. I'm pretty excited. So we get another box inside this box. The box over here, and this is the cover that we get for the laptop. Keeping the box aside, so this is the cover that we get for with this laptop. I'll unbox this later. First we'll have a look at the laptop itself, and here we go. You saw, I like this fact that when you open the laptop, it kind of raises. This part particularly raises, so that looks good. And over here it's written, for those who dare. Yes, I had to take a lot of dare to get this laptop. So this is the laptop itself, and I'll be keeping this aside for a moment to just check what are the other accessories that we get in the box. Keeping this aside, so looks like something we have in this, so we'll just unbox it. And we have documentation, some info about the G series, the gaming notebook series, and I guess some premium care and 24-hour online support related information is there in this pamphlet. So let's just put this thing inside and have a look. What else do we get? Here we get the charger. It's a USB Type-C charger. This is an 100-watt USB Type-C charger that we get, and this is the adapter for that. Too much of unboxing. And in the paper documentation part, we have this stylus also. So this is the stylus. We'll unbox this. This is how the stylus looks like. Looks good. Has a metallic finish. Great. Now let's just keep this thing aside very carefully. I'll be keeping it over here and removing the rest of the box. So yes, this is how it is. And now we'll have a look at the cover. So we'll open the cover. You guys might be thinking, yaar laptop dikhao na, cover dikha rahe ho, charger dikha rahe ho. We have kept the best thing for the last part. So let's have a look at the cover. So the cover feels very good. Let's just unzip it. And over here the Republic of Gamers branding is here. I hope you can see this in white color. And we get some hooks over here. So let's just open this up. And okay, inside we get another cover. And friends, let me tell you about this. This cover is actually for a eGPU which is specially made for this laptop, which is known by the name XG Mobile. And the cover, this is the cover of the XG Mobile. It is all included in the laptop itself. Currently eGPU is not available in India. So we'll keep this thing aside. And yes, we get a strap. Let me just open it up. So this is how the strap is. You can cling, there are hooks, you can cling them over here and you can put in your laptop and you can carry it on your shoulder. And we get another small hook, a bag I would say. This is a shorter belt I'll say. Not having clear idea about this though. Now, you know, let's just skip these things aside. So guys, this is the laptop and let me tell you the price. There are variants like 16GB RAM, RAM variant with 1TB SSD and has the processor, the base variant has the processor of Ryzen 5 5000 series, and the model that I have got, this is the top-notch model. That is, it has the 32GB RAM, it has 1TB SSD, and it has the fastest processor of the AMD Ryzen series lineup, that is the AMD Ryzen 5000 series Ryzen 9. So let's just unbox it. I mean, let's just unpack it. So as you can see guys, this laptop is a charm, but the initial impressions are killer to me. Why? Because see the form factor guys, it's so small. The laptop that I used previously, it was a 15.6-inch screen and it was bulky and it was a bit difficult to carry around, but this laptop, it's 13.4 inches to be correct I think, and easy to carry. The laptop is so light. I think it weighs around 1.4 to 1.5 kgs. It's so light, oh my god. And let me just open it up for you guys. So this is how it looks, and let me just remove this. So okay, this is how it looks, and yeah, this is a better way to showcase the laptop, to be honest. This is how it looks. And by the way guys, this hinge is 360. So this is how it goes. This is how it goes. And the folding is good. The finishing is good. I like the finishing. So that's it guys. This is my review, or an initial unboxing. Sorry to say review. Actually, I became wiser by watching TechWiser. So this is the initial impressions or the unboxing impressions that I got by unboxing this laptop. I had to make this unboxing video as this is one of the biggest unboxing. This is my initial impressions or the / unboxing video. This is not the final review. The final review will be coming up very soon. In that I'll be specifying that who should buy this laptop. Let me give you a small hint on that. This laptop is majorly focuses on the niche of the creative professionals, and more detailed full review video. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you found this video helpful, then do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button. It helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one. Till then, stay safe.